So bafethu le drama kaMpumi noGabriel iyaqhubeka. uMpumi is continuing forcing herself lapha noGabriel. uGabriel akasafuni. Honestly uGabriel akasamfuni uMpumi because uMpumi bafethu is annoying lapha naGabriel. But I'm happy this is actually happening because the only way that Gabriel can escape this is him having to take credentials or credits away from uMpumi and claim that all the credits belong to him so that uMpumi angathola ama-royalties. In that way I think Gabriel would have won in chasing out uMpumi out of his life, you understand? So Mpumi ukuvusa uGabriel ngama-breakfast in bed bafethu, you understand? So uyafuna ukuzifaka ngempela and uMpumi wants to be the wife of uGabriel. Unfortunately uGabriel akasayifuni lento leyo, but uGabriel was the one who promised uMpumi to build an empire lapha ne-Revelation Records, you understand? And uMpumi is sticking to that. No matter what, uMpumi is sticking to that. So uMpumi bafethu has actually chased out her external support or backup, which is her family, in order ukuthi protect uGabriel nokuthi abe noGabriel. So uMpumi bafethu ngisikhathelele uGabriel, I don't know what she did, but they have matching rings. Njengoba nibona nje lapha uGabriel uxakekile ukuthi ama-ring abo amatcha kanjani. I think she actually took a copy of i-ring kaGabriel ngazi wayenze yakhe kuMpumi, plus she also wrote herself incwadi yamalobolo. So moving on, uIshmael noMafitsotso are officially caught by uNobuhle. noNandipha uyazi-ke ukuthi uMafitsotso umuntu wakhe uyamchithela, you understand? So uIshmael bamblockile efonini yakhe, so he had to borrow ifoni kaMafitsotso in order to reach uNobuhle. So uyamfonela uNobuhle wadropha. So it seems as if uNobuhle bafethu akafuni lutho, akafuni ukuzwa lutho ephuma ku-Ishmael, because uIshmael was hanging out nabo Mercedes nabo Blue. So uNobuhle thinks ukuthi Ishmael was cheating, but unfortunately Ishmael wasn't the one who made the first move on Blue, but Blue was the one crashing on Ishmael and made the first move on him. So uyazama Ishmael to fight for his relationship, but nothing is actually coming together. uNobuhle akamfuna la hambe khona, you understand? After a long healthy relationship, uNobuhle I think wants to call it quits, yabona, noma ngakasho nje, but she's still disappointed at the fact ukuthi uIshmael ubafice namanye amantombazane. But on the other side, this thing is actually vice versa, because uMafitsotso uyena ongasamfuni uNandipha, because uNandipha came through when they were caught, wazotshela uMercedes nabo Blue and exposed uMafitsotso by telling them ukuthi uMafitsotso is a deadbeat dad. uMafitsotso akayingeni yena, usayifunela uMercedes yena. So moving on bafethu, uMpumi utshela uGabriel ukuthi she is ready to run an empire yase-Revelation nayo, nanokuthi she is ready to marry uGabriel and start a family with uGabriel, you understand? So uMpumi uzifaka kakhulu laphana bafethu, but I'm just happy ukuthi uGabriel is showing his true colors ukuthi akasamfuni uMpumi. This is the moment I have been waiting for personally, but uMpumi can't seem to see ukuthi akasafunwa laphana. She thinks ukuthi she is still gonna share the credit to Gabriel yama award nominations, you understand? But Gabriel is taking everything for himself, you understand? So uMpumi on the previous episode wrote amalobola, a letter yamalobola ebhalela yena that she is gonna submit to the Sedibeng family enze ngathi uGabriel wabhalile. So uGabriel akathandanga lokho, instead he chased away uMpumi lapha ekamereni. So uWendy bafethu is back to business lapha kamashonisa, as you can see. Kunomunye umama ekade lapha em-attendile, but as em-attendile lo mama nanguMaruna uyabuya. Kuthiwa uMaruna best kabi ekuzenzeni umuntu osexy, you understand? Because uWendy actually knows where Maruna was. Uyazi ukuthi ubeNobonko and Maruna was at the studio, and obviously they recorded a song Nobonko and ended up being romantic, you understand? Uyena ungasazi kuphelele kuphi, because these people were making a song lapha in the studio, working on some good music, and then after that they started being romantic. So lapha bathi uMaruna quick when it comes to ukugijimisa abantu bakaThabethe okubonke uThabethe, nakhona futhi quick ekubeni sexy yena ebe romantic instead of ukuthi azoyihlalela lapha endlini and mind her own business, you understand? So ubonke is back at home lapha namagcini kaThabethe, as you can see baphambana banoFelicia. uFelicia is going downstairs and ubonke is going upstairs, right? So yabingelela ubonke tried greeting uFelicia, but uFelicia is ignoring ubonke. Yambona ubonke lapha ukuthi their face is full of disappointment ukuthi uzitshwa na umama wakhe, understand? It's a face of wondering what has he done. So moving on ke bafethu, Ishmael continues fighting for his relationship. Noma nibona lapha negethini ufika nezimbali. So he asks the guiding guy yabona ukuthi amsize to reach uNobuhle. So this guy was actually like telling Ishmael ukuthi okay, in order for him to help Ishmael umthengele airtime and so on. So basically Ishmael bafethu usafuna ukulwela relationship yakhe, you understand. He still wants to explain to uNobuhle ukuthi he did not do anything, he did not cheat on Nobuhle, you understand. Nobuhle lo ngafuna ukumuzwa. So uNobuhle bafethu ke ugcine liphendulele ucingo, but ucingo lo garden guy, you understand, because ublockiwe lapha uIshmael. So uNobuhle akafuna ukuzwa lutho, akafuna ukumbona uIshmael bafethu. She told Ishmael ukuthi akahambe lapha la khona. Ishmael must go away because umama wakhe uNobuhle uzombulala, understand. And as you can see lapha kwiskipper sika Ishmael was trying to make uNobuhle see ukuthi he's a moron, you understand, for the mistakes that he was doing about regarding jeopardizing the relationship. Yeah, but Nobuhle, he's a moron, you understand. So Nobuhle bafethu did not even give Ishmael a chance, you understand. Akafuni nje nokumbona, akafuni ukukhuluma naye, akafuni lutho nje ezomhlanganisa noIshmael, guys. And this is very very bad for a relationship that has been good for such a long time. Yabo ukuthi izophela kabuhlungu kanje. Ngapha ke bafethu uMafitotso trying to explain lapha ku Mercedes ukuthi he is not a deadbeat dad, you understand. But uMafitotso, I feel like he was failing to explain himself ku Mercedes ukuthi yeah, now he is not a deadbeat dad. Unandi was trying to like lie in order to keep him, because Unandi is still fighting more for Mafitotso, but Nobuhle isn't fighting for Ishmael, which means it's vice versa. Ishmael is fighting for Nobuhle, Mafitotso isn't fighting for Unandi, but Unandi is fighting for Mafitotso. So Mercedes bafethu has had enough, understand. And they onaphila Mercedes Mafitotso ukuthi naye she had a deadbeat dad. So I'm thinking ukuthi she does not want to have the same treatment, yabo, and lokho kuyam-affect kakhulu, even having to hear ukuthi uMafitotso is a deadbeat dad. But uMafitotso igazi akanayo ingane. I don't remember Mafitotso having a child. Yes, there was an issue ukuthi Unandi is pregnant, but Unandi came through playing mind games, telling Mafitotso ukuthi I got pregnant and there's no child, yabona. So imlimazile uMercedes lento lena. So Mercedes naye asafuna ukuthi izomhlanganisa noMafitotso. uMafitotso failed explaining to Mercedes ukuthi akanayo nengane, but Unandi was trying to waste up their relationship ababezoba nayo, you understand. So Felicia noThando meet up again, guys, and they are applauding umsebenzi kaBonko. Bonko is increasing the numbers lapha when it comes to streams lapha neGenesis, you understand. And Felicia has a feeling ukuthi Bonko won't have to do or won't be able to do the same thing in the next generation, you understand. But there's a catch too, because Felicia wants to crown a new CEO lapha eGenesis. So she told uThando ukuthi kumele kube le CEO entsha lapha eGenesis, you understand. So there has to be someone who is gonna lead eGenesis, yeah, but not uBonko, because she feels as if Gabriel was trying to trap uBonko noMaruna in order for uBonko to be distracted by uMaruna, because every time Maruna is near Bonko, Bonko gets distracted, you understand. Njengoba nje nazi ke bafethu nani uBonko njalo nje manje noMaruna uyaphazamiseka, uyalingeka, he gets too romantic instead of doing his own work. But uma engenayo Maruna, he focuses a lot on Genesis and building the empire eGenesis. So Felicia wants to crown a new CEO lapha eGenesis. So moving on ke bafethu, Mafitotso ke lapha noIshmael at the Genesis offices. So Unandi ke is fighting for Mafitotso, understand. And Mafitotso akayithandi lento ukuthi bam-accuse ukuthi abe deadbeat dad, whereas he wasn't a deadbeat dad. There was no child between Unandi noMafitotso, and akayithandi Mafitotso into ayizwayo ephuma kuNandi, you understand. So continuing bafethu ke uNandi osethole uMafitotso ukuthi abahambe phela bayowenza ingane, akunankinga, she is ready to have Mafitotso's child. Mafitotso ke uthi yena cha akasamfuni uNandi, akayona futhi i-type yakhe, yena uzithandela uMercedes, yabo. Akasamfuni uNandi nala ahambe khona. uNandi can leave it, because uNandi exposed Mafitotso, accusing him of things he is not, being a deadbeat dad. Lapho ke road trip phela ubengekho Nkosi yami, you understand. So ngeke singisuke mafethu bafethu. uIshmayeli ngalena uthi usayifuna intombi yakhe Nobuhle, so ufuna uNandi amenzele ifavor amazisi Nobuhle ukuthi uIshmayeli umlindile usamthanda, you understand. So continuing bafethu, as you can see, uMpumi came to apologize to Gabriel, but asazi ukuthi uxolisela ini, you understand. Gabriel mayesebuza again ukuthi are you apologizing about what happened in the morning, or is Mpumi apologizing for not doing her job? You understand that because Mpumi hasn't been focused on writing people songs and introducing the new artists into Revelation Records, but instead she has been focused a lot on building an empire, being the wife of Gabriel Kigaba and becoming Miss Kigaba. Ilokho nje yakade focus khona, but bengafocusile kakhulu in terms of doing a job and handing people songs that she ghost writed, or having to write those songs, you understand. So Felicia and Thandi meet up again, you understand. So Thandi is thinking, Felicia is thinking ukuthi uThandi is ready to actually like scout for a new CEO, but uThandi came nge-exception yokuthi Felicia must release every information regarding shipping out to Maruna, because uThandi does not want to regret what she is about to do. So in my thinking, or personally, I do think ukuthi uThandi is now ready to help Felicia, regarding shipping Maruna out of the country, but she doesn't want to regret it, you understand. So Felicia was grateful to share that kind of news. Uthandi has come back to her senses in terms of helping Felicia out, because Felicia was demanding Uthandi ukuthi amsise kulentela nokushippa out Maruna out of the country. So moving on, bafethu, Mpumi has bribed the security to get into the Revelation Records office. So Mpumi bafethu went to uWendy, you understand, and uWendy told Mpumi ukuthi get that songwriting book, or get the book that Gabriel keeps his credits in. In that way you are gonna win, because if Gabriel ezogcina ama-credits regarding the nominations and gospel awards and every song that Mpumi wrote, Gabriel is gonna eat all the royalties. Mpumi wouldn't get a cent from Gabriel. So in that way, to save Mpumi, guys, Mpumi has to go there, look for that book, you understand, because Mpumi has been writing songs. But yes, Gabriel Gabriel is back in the office. We understand uzothetha, crashing out on Mpumi, asking Mpumi why did she bribe security lakhe and what is she doing in the office lapha, you understand. So Mpumi bafethu is fighting for her credits wakhe, because she believes that she's not gonna get any royalties from Gabriel. Gabriel has every credit to himself, you understand. So meaning every royalty or money or cent goes to Gabriel, and every recognition or acknowledgement at Revelation Records is under Gabriel's name, So Mpumi was disappointed for a while ukuthi kwenzakalani, you understand. So she had to go fight, you understand. And Mpumi shilo ukuthi uzom-expose uGabriel uma ngabe enza ubugebengu lokho abenzayo, crediting himself, uyasho Gabriel ukuthi akahambe ayobatshela abantu, akahambe, he does not care. So Gabriel has power bafethu, he has money and power that Mpumi does not have, you understand. Noma ngenzani uMpumi kuyafana, she will always fail against Gabriel. And I'm glad ukuthi this happened, ukuze kuvula amehlo kaMpumi, because Mpumi is blindsided, she's blindfolded by Gabriel, you understand. I'm happy ukuthi Gabriel is now acting like that villain that's showing his true colors, and Mpumi was blind all along. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.